Hey there, grill masters. Labor Day is right around the corner. Time to fire up those grills and celebrate the end of summer with a bang. Nothing says America like the smell of BBQ wafting through the air on a warm day. Let's get this party started. We're talking juicy burgers, smoky ribs, and colorful grilled veggies. I'm here to give you the lowdown on some must-try dishes that will have your friends and family cheering. Get ready for a Labor Day BBQ that's off the charts. Let's be honest, folks, no Labor Day BBQ is complete without a burger. It's the centerpiece, the star of the show, the reason we gather around the grill. But we're not talking about just any burger. We're talking about a burger that makes your taste buds sing. A burger that stands out in a crowd. We're talking about a burger that's juicy, flavorful, and cooked to perfection. The kind of burger that has a perfect sear on the outside and is tender and moist on the inside. Start with good quality ground beef. 80-20 is my go-to. This ratio ensures the right amount of fat to keep the burger juicy. Season it simply with salt and pepper. You don't need fancy seasonings. The quality of the beef will shine through. Form into patties and grill over medium-high heat. Make sure your grill is preheated so you get those beautiful grill marks. Don't press down on the patties with your spatula. Pressing releases the juices, and we want to keep all that flavor inside. Let them cook undisturbed for those beautiful grill marks. Add your favorite toppings. This is where you can get creative. Cheese, lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles, the works. Don't be afraid to pile it high. Serve on a toasted bun with a side of crispy fries. The bun should be slightly crispy on the outside but soft on the inside. Boom, you've got yourself a winner. A burger that will have everyone coming back for seconds. Enjoy the smiles, the laughter, and the satisfaction of a job well done. Ready to step up your BBQ game? Let's talk ribs. Tender, smoky, fall-off-the-bone ribs. They're the king of any BBQ spread. My secret? Low and slow is the way to go. Start with a good dry rub. Pat it all over those ribs. Then grill them over low heat for several hours, basting with your favorite BBQ sauce. Trust me, the result will be worth the wait. Serve your ribs with classic sides like coleslaw, potato salad, and baked beans. Don't forget extra napkins. Things are about to get messy in the best way possible. Looking for a crowd pleaser that's easy to make? Look no further than grilled chicken. It's a blank canvas for flavors, so get creative. Marinate your chicken in a flavorful mixture. Think citrus, herbs, garlic, spices, then grill over medium heat until cooked through. The key is to not overcook it. Keep that chicken juicy and tender. Serve your grilled chicken with a variety of dipping sauces. BBQ sauce, honey mustard, ranch dressing, the possibilities are endless. Veggie Delight grilled corn on the cob, one of the simplest yet most delightful dishes you can prepare on the grill. Let's not forget about the veggies. They add a burst of color and flavor to any BBQ spread. Grilling brings out their natural sweetness, enhancing their flavors in a way that other cooking methods just can't match. And there's nothing quite like corn on the cob on a hot summer day. It's a classic that never goes out of style. Start by shucking your corn and soaking it in water for about 30 minutes. This helps to keep the corn moist while it grills. Then grill it in its husks over medium heat until the kernels are tender and slightly charred. The husks protect the corn from direct heat, allowing it to steam and grill at the same time. Once it's done, slather the corn with butter, sprinkle with salt and pepper, and dig in. The melted butter seeps into the kernels, making each bite a burst of flavor. For an extra kick, try grilling your corn with Mexican-style seasonings. This adds a whole new dimension to the flavor profile. Chili powder, lime juice, and a sprinkle of cotija cheese will take your corn on the cob to the next level. The combination of spicy, tangy, and creamy flavors is simply irresistible. Grilled corn on the cob is not just a dish, it's an experience. It's about gathering with family and friends, sharing stories, and creating memories. The aroma of corn grilling, the sound of laughter, and the joy of biting into a perfectly grilled cob are what makes summer BBQs special. Don't be afraid to experiment with different toppings. From herbs and spices to various cheeses, the possibilities are endless. Each variation brings its own unique twist to this beloved summer staple. So next time you fire up the grill, make sure to include corn on the cob. It's simple, delicious, and sure to be a hit with everyone. Enjoy the process, savor the flavors, and make the most of those warm summer days. Grilled corn on the cob is more than just food, it's a celebration of the season. Want to add a burst of color to your BBQ spread? Grill up a medley of your favorite vegetables. Peppers, onions, zucchini, squash, mushrooms, the list goes on. Toss your veggies in olive oil, salt, pepper, and any other herbs or spices you like. Then grill them over medium heat until tender crisp. The key here is to cut the vegetables into uniform sizes so they cook evenly. Grilled veggies are a delicious and healthy side dish. They're also great on burgers and sandwiches or tossed into salads. Every good BBQ needs a refreshing salad to balance out all that grilled goodness. Think outside the box. Go for a classic Caesar salad with grilled romaine lettuce, crunchy croutons, and creamy Caesar dressing. Or try a refreshing watermelon salad with feta cheese, mint, and a light vinaigrette. The possibilities are endless. Don't be afraid to get creative with your salad dressings too. Homemade vinaigrettes are easy to make and add a burst of flavor. It's hot out there by the grill. Make sure you've got plenty of refreshing drinks on hand to keep everyone cool and hydrated. Lemonade, iced tea, and fruit-infused water are all great options. And for the adults, a cold beer or a refreshing cocktail always hits the spot. Cheers to that. Remember to drink responsibly and stay hydrated, especially when you're spending time outdoors. Now that we've got the food and drinks covered, let's talk about setting the scene for the perfect Labor Day BBQ. String up some lights, put out some lawn games, and crank up the tunes. Labor Day is all about relaxing and enjoying the company of loved ones. Create a fun and festive atmosphere where everyone feels welcome. Don't sweat the small stuff. The most important thing is to enjoy the day and make some memories. Grilling tips from Bobby. Welcome, grill enthusiasts. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a backyard beginner, these tips will elevate your grilling game to new heights. Let's dive into the essentials that will make your Labor Day barbecue unforgettable. First and foremost, clean your grill grates. This might seem like a no-brainer, but it's a step that many overlook. A clean grill ensures that your food tastes its best and prevents any unwanted flavors from previous cookouts from seeping into your new creations. Remember, a clean grill is a happy grill. Not only does it improve the taste of your food, but it also extends the life of your grill. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your grill in top shape for years to come. Use a sturdy grill brush to remove any debris before you start cooking. This will help you avoid any burnt remnants sticking to your food. Once your grates are clean, oil them lightly. This simple step will prevent your food from sticking and make those beautiful grill marks that everyone loves. Speaking of grill marks, they are not just for show. They indicate that your food is cooking evenly and developing that delicious charred flavor. To achieve perfect grill marks, make sure your grill is hot enough before placing your meat on it. And don't forget to use a meat thermometer. A meat thermometer is your best friend when it comes to grilling. It ensures that your meat is cooked to the proper temperature, which is crucial for both safety and flavor. No one wants to bite into undercooked chicken or overcooked steak. When grilling chicken, make sure it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This will ensure that it's safe to eat and still juicy. Let your meat rest after grilling. After you take your meat off the grill, let it rest for a few minutes before slicing and serving. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, making it more tender and flavorful. Slicing into your meat too soon can cause all those delicious juices to run out, leaving you with a dry meal. Patience is key. Letting your meat rest will reward you with a juicy, mouth-watering bite every time. So there you have it, folks. Follow these tips, and you'll be well on your way to grilling greatness. Happy grilling. There you have it, folks. Everything you need to throw an epic Labor Day BBQ. From juicy burgers to smoky ribs, refreshing salads to ice-cold drinks, your celebration is sure to be a hit. So fire up those grills, gather your loved ones, and let's give summer a proper send-off. Happy Labor Day!